Hey, what's up guys? I am tired today, but the show must go on. So I recently posted a poll on my Instagram stories to see whether you guys would want to see notebook covers or hair clips. So notebook covers won, so I'll do hair clips another time. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's just Squidlicks. You just have to search Squidlicks, and I have a lot of behind the scenes stuff there and some giveaways sometimes, so go ahead and give me a follow. But yeah, I did a cute notebook cover. I used my Haruka plant, which lives outside, and it's really gorgeous and it really did a good job in resin. Wanted to share this little project with you guys. I have this vintage cookbook for vegetables, which my friend gave me. Oh wow, it's from October 1966. 25 cents. Someone got this book for 25 cents. Anyways, I use it to press my flowers and get ideas for recipes. For example, avocado sauce. Who knew that back in the 60s people were really into avocados before us millennials? 1 avocado pear, okay that's weird, mashed, 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 cup sour cream, white horseradish. That actually sounds pretty darn good. You could even make it vegan. Anyways, here's some of my pressed leaves. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, they're still kind of moist. They're quite not as papery as they should be, so I'm gonna let them dry out a little bit more. Coming at you with a hot tip. So this is a cute kitty. Besides being a cute kitty, it is also a old school, some of us millennials and boomers will remember. It's a little photo album, and you can use these little pockets to store your dried flowers. How genius is that? I did it! I got a matching set. A notebook cover so I can do them both at the same time and get a more consistent result. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix up the resin and put on my mask. So it is now the next day. They are hard enough to demold, but I would suspect that they're still a little bit flimsy. I can already tell that there was a lot of crunching going on when I was trying to stuff these down. The resin was a little thick when I had poured it, so it took a lot of force for me to kind of submerge these underwater, and in doing that I created little cracks in the dry leaf, and it looks like it absorbed some of the wetness from the resin. But I'm gonna go ahead and demold. This mold is a little bit yellower than this one just because this one has been used multiple times. Wow. I'm very happy that there are no bubbles, but as you can see where I had cracked the leaf, it became kind of transparent. It's not horrible, like, still super cute. I love that I chose to put the glass glitter in there. Gives it a little bit of, gives it a little kiss of magic. So let's do this one. And I can tell I did not mix one of the layers of resin well enough, because I can see where that could have just been where the two intersected, because I had mixed one layer up and then right after another. So you can, I don't know if you can see, there are little wispy kind of wrinkles, but they're not that noticeable, but just one thing to watch out for. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill her up with paper so you can see what it looks like. I do have all the supplies here in the link below in my Amazon shop. Now, what we learned last time is that you don't want to stick all of this paper because it'll be hard to open and close with these small rings. And here I thought that we would get away with not having to drill through one of these holes, but it happens. If it's thin enough. You can, yeah. The resin is still kind of pliable, so you just kind of take a knife to it. Oof, yeah, I'm bending it way out of shape. So I would suggest you let it cure for another day before attempting any of this, but for the sake of time, I'm just going to put it together now. Because they're just really goofy, huh? So these are Heruka leaves. Heruka? I don't know if I'm saying that right.
Heuchera. Heuchera.
And they have been becoming increasingly popular because the leaves are very colorful and they're almost iridescent. I don't know if you can see that in this. And they last all winter long. They don't die, in my climate at least, which is 7A. The flowers are like these long, here let me, I have some dried. I was experimenting different ways to dry them. The best way, in my opinion, was to just press them. But yep, see, it's falling apart as I take it, but they shoot off these long, beautiful stems of white flowers. As you can see, I put some in here. And this is so cute. Amazingly, there are no bubbles on either side. So even though I did crack them a little bit, I did manage not to get a lot of bubbles in there. Perfect for fall. Back to school. Love it.
So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any other ideas, any questions, any tips, any tricks in the comments. I would love to hear them. If you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell and turn on all the notifications. That would help me a lot, because the YouTube algorithm is a beast. And go ahead and like this video if you found it helpful, entertaining, or, you know, if you liked it. Thank you so much and have a great Wednesday.